Welcome back to another video with the CAD source. Today we will learn how to draw an elevation. Assemble all the floors in a single drawing. Type Excel and make vertical extended lines for the boundaries. Arrange them in a line vertically to have better understanding. We have from ground floor to the 5th floor. Now, make a line to start drawing the elevation watching all the way to the top, then specify vertical heights and mention the floors and their starting levels. Visualize and draw everything that could come in the front view. Start drafting reference lines for the interior, doors, windows, corners, stairs, walls, everything that comes in the view. Start from the parking floor, identifying columns, parkings, passages, and the entrance doors. You can copy any pre-created door and windows to show in the elevation. We have standard floors, so we draw one and copy to the top. Your final elevation will be looked like that. You can add colors, hatches, materials as per your desire to make it more appealing. That's all for the elevation today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials and tips. Happy drafting!